Welcome back to Booze and Rocks. My name is David Edwards, and today I'm going to use some watermelon and some jalapeno pepper, and I'm going to make these two versions of the Tequila Mockingbird. But first, this. All right, so let's get into this. Now, while I was coming up with an idea for this video, I came across this cocktail, and it resonated with me because of what is going on in the news right now. So I thought I'd talk a little bit about the book. Now, To Kill a Mockingbird was written by Harper Lee in 1960, and it was her first book. And it takes place in the sleepy town of Macomb, Alabama during the Depression. Now, during this story, Tom Robinson, a black man, is accused of raping a white woman, and Atticus Finch is the lawyer who defends him. Now, Atticus describes the following ideal to his daughter, Scout. The one place where men ought to get a square deal is in a courtroom, be he any color of the rainbow. Now, he said this to his daughter after he lost the court case. Now, this story delves deeply into the racism and fear that was going on during the 60s, and it also delves into the difference between revenge and justice. And that's one of the reasons why I thought this would be such a good cocktail to make, because this book and what is going on right now very much go hand in hand, and I suggest that everybody take the time to read this book if they have the chance. All right, so we're going to make these two versions of the same cocktail right here, and we're going to try them out. So the first thing, of course, I need is my shaking glass. The second thing, and most importantly for this, is I need my knife. Now, we need two items for this first one, and what we need is one slice of jalapeno pepper. The next thing we need is some cubed watermelon. Now, you need about 1/3 of a cup, so we'll just cut that like so. Wow, perfect. Anyway, but we also need some tequila for this. Now, what we need is a little bit of Cazador tequila. It's a white tequila. Any white tequila or silver tequila will work. And you know what I need to do first? I need to actually muddle this. And you want to muddle it lightly because you don't want to get this too spicy, but you want to break down the watermelon. Perfect. And now, where was I? Oh yeah, 2 ounces of silver tequila, or a 60 milliliters. Next thing we need, of course, is a little bit of lime juice. And we need 3/4 of an ounce of this, or 22.5 milliliters. And last but not least, we need a little bit of agave syrup. And we're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of this as well. And this will give us a little bit more sweetness to help even it out. Get this over here. We'll take our shaking tin, and what we're going to do is we're going to shake this for a good 10 to 15 seconds. Put it all in here nice and neat. You can hear it cracking. And we're going to shake this. All right. Put this glass there because I don't need it anymore. And I'm going to use a coupe. But you know what? I want a little bit of ice, so this will be the fancy version of dressing that we're going to use. Aha! Caught that. We have... Let's try this again. My hands are all over it. Terrible, terrible. So what I'm going to do is we're going to fine strain this. Look at that. Very, very nice. All right, so again, we're gonna make our second Tequila Mockingbird, and it's a little bit simpler to work with. So for this, we need 2 ounces of your silver tequila of choice. 2 ounces, as we know already, is 60 mils. And I have just enough, it looks like. The next thing we need is half an ounce of a creme de menthe. Creme de menthe is a peppermint or a mint style liqueur. Oh, that's very green. That's very green. And of course we need half an ounce of lime juice, but I already have the lime juice here, which is nice. And last but not least, we need 1/4 ounce of a simple syrup. And just by looks and smell alone, I can tell that these are two totally different cocktails. They smell different, they look different. And let's just shake this for another 10 to 15 seconds. Move this over here because I don't need that either. And I have another coupe because we're going to use the exact same type of glass, the exact same type of ice, and I'll just use this because the other thing's in use. Look at that. Two beautiful looking cocktails, and both of them are different in the way they're made and the way they smell and with their ingredients. They're really good. So I'm going to try this one first because it's been sitting in the ice longest, and I'm going to get my trusty little bit of water out here so that I can rinse my mouth between them. The color is very, very nice. Looks absolutely gorgeous. That's good. The tequila's there. You get the watermelon taste, absolutely. Subtle hints of the lime. It's balanced very, very nicely. That's a very, very good cocktail. Rinse my mouth. And the next thing, and look, I'm using the best mom ever mug. Let's try this next one. Well, the creme de menthe or the mint, you can smell the mint coming directly off of this. Totally different taste. Totally different taste. You don't notice the tequila as much. You notice the mint a little bit more. It's nicely balanced. It's not overly sweet. This is a really good cocktail as well. These are two good cocktails individually. And the thing that I can see about this is they're so different, yet they're the same. An excellent cocktail. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ingredients and the method for both of these down in the description down below. Please leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think of either of these, if you think I should do anything differently, or just a comment in general with what is going on. And if this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way you'll be notified every single time I put up a new video. And if you don't like two excellent cocktails, hit the thumbs down button twice. And we'll see you next time. Welcome back to Booze and Rocks. My name is David Edwards, and today I'm going to use some watermelon, some jalapeno pepper, and I'm going to make these. Two versions of the Tequila Mockingbird. But fucking first I spilled it.